Welcome back to Valentino TV. I'm Shelly, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a full bling nail with diamond gel. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a base using the 69 gel polish from Valentino. It's a nice iridescent look. Now I'm only going to do one layer since I'm going to cover the entire nail with crystals. So pretty. We're curing this for 30 seconds. So I like to apply matte top coat before I apply my diamond gel. I'm gonna apply my Valentino matte. And we're going to cure that for 30 seconds. So now my nail is completely matted out. Now here are the stones that I will be picking today. And I don't like to apply a whole bunch of diamond gel. I like to go piece by piece or little by little. I'm going to apply here in the middle for my bigger stones. Make sure in the process of you doing or using diamond gel, make sure you put the lid on because it can cure easily. So here I have a base. Now I'm going to make sure I cure this before I keep on going. And I am removing the excess. Make sure you secure your stones with smaller stones, your bigger stones with smaller stones. Now let's go and move on to the other side. So right now I'm just gonna clean the wax off of the crystals with a lint-free wipe, and it has nothing on it, so it's just dry. Just to make sure we have that ultimate shine.